Chapter 2: Algorithm, Flowcharts and Programs. Learning Objectives. Algorithm, Flowchart, Standard Flowchart, Symbols, Programs. Introduction. In a computer, a set of instructions is executed to reach at a specific result. A computer program is a set of various instructions or algorithms. An algorithm is a procedure or formula for solving problem based on conducting a sequence of specified actions. A computer program can be viewed as an elaborate algorithm. In mathematics and computer science, an algorithm usually means a small procedure that solves repetitive problem. Algorithm. Algorithm is defined as a sequence of steps which are not required to be in proper syntax. It can be written using simple English language. The main objective of writing an algorithm is to think about the logic, like what should be done and how to do it. A programmer need not to be worried about using the proper syntax and rules to write the sequence of steps. Algorithm 1. Write an algorithm to multiply two numbers. A is equal to B into C. Start. Read numbers B and C. Set A is equal to B into C. Print A, exit. Algorithm 2. Write an algorithm to add three numbers. X is equal to P plus R plus S. Start. Read numbers P, R and S. Set X is equal to P plus R plus S. Print X, exit. Flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents an algorithm, workflow or process, showing the steps at boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting them with the arrows. This diagrammatic representation illustrates a solution model to a given problem. Flowcharts are used in analyzing, designing, documenting or managing a process or program in various fields. Standard flowchart symbols. Start or stop symbol. This symbol is used to represent the beginning and ending of a flowchart. Input or output symbol. This symbol is used to indicate the acceptance of inputs from a user or the output concluded. Flow lines. The flowchart symbols are connected with the help of flow lines. The arrow direction shows the flow of the sequence. Processing symbol. This symbol is used to illustrate a process, action, or an operation. Decision box. This symbol is used to represent some conditions. The answer to the condition determines the arrows coming out of the symbol. Connector. Connector is used to connect one part of flowchart to another. Types of flowchart. Simple flowchart. A simple flowchart is a simple sequence of steps with no branch and loop. Let's now draw a simple flowchart to find the area of a circle if its radius is given. Start. Read radius R of the circle. Area is equal to 3.14 into R into R. Print area, stop. Branched flowchart. Branching is the process of following one or two of more alternate paths of computations. For example, let us create a flowchart to find out whether the given number is even or odd. This branching in a flowchart is caused due to some conditions. The result is displayed in the decision box in a flowchart. Start. Read a number. Divide it by 2. Remainder is equal to 0. Yes. Display even. No. Display odd. Stop. Fact file. The general direction of flow in any flowchart is from top to bottom or left to right. Looping flowchart. A loop is the sequence of instructions that repeats a specified number of times until a particular condition is met. For example, let us create a flowchart to print the sum of n numbers. Start. Set I is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 0. Read n. If I is less than or equal to n, no. Print sum, stop. Yes, sum is equal to sum plus I. I is equal to I plus 1. Advantages of flowcharts. Communication. Flowcharts are a better way of communicating the logic of a system to all concerned or involved. Effective analysis. With the help of flowchart, problem can be analyzed in more effective way, therefore reducing cost and wastage of time. Proper documentation. Program flowcharts serve as a good program documentation which is needed for various purposes, making things more efficient. Efficient coding. The flowcharts act as a guide during the system's analysis and program development phase. Efficient program maintenance. The maintenance of operating program becomes easy with the help of flowchart. It helps the programmer to put efforts more efficiently on that part. Programs. A program is a sequence of steps written in any programming language. Programs written in high-level languages are translated into machine language by compilers or interpreters. This machine language is understood by a computer. During the actual execution of a program, the machine language code is loaded into the random access memory (RAM) of a computer and is executed line by line by the CPU. Some popular high-level programming languages are BASIC, Logo, Java, C, C++, Visual Basic, etc. Quick backup. An algorithm can be written using simple English language. Flowcharts are very important in computer programming. Flowcharts use standard symbols to represent input or output, processing, decision-making, etc. The general direction of flow in any flowchart is from top to bottom or left to right. A program is a sequence of steps written in any programming language. Programs written in high-level languages are translated into machine language by compilers or interpreters.